Hey everybody, today on Henry's How To's, I'm going to show you how to make Persian Estamboli Polo. Let's get straight into it. So we're going to start this recipe off with one brown onion. So slice through the middle, and all we want to do with our onion is just finely dice it. Next I'm going to bring across about 3 medium-sized potatoes. I'm just using washed potatoes. So with these you don't have to peel the skin off. If you leave it on you get a better flavour. So we'll slice these through the middle again, and we just want to cube them up. Just like that. Alright, so moving on to our stove, just into a medium pot, I'm going to start by adding in about 2 tablespoons of oil. And we're going to add our chopped onions straight in. So all we want to do is on a medium heat, just fry our onions until they're nice and soft. Next we're going to add 2 crushed garlic cloves. And then I'm going to add in 500 grams of beef mince. Now you can also do this with lamb mince or even chicken mince, that's up to you. And we just want to cook that and brown our meat. So guys, what I have here is 2 cups of basmati rice. Now I've already washed this up, so just to get rid of all the starch. So at this point we'll start to season this. So first we'll put in 2 teaspoons of salt, half a teaspoon of mild curry powder, half a teaspoon of turmeric, half a teaspoon of black pepper, and about a 1/4 teaspoon of ground cinnamon. And just mix those together. So at this point we're going to lower our heat to between low and medium, and we'll add in 2 heaps tablespoons of tomato paste, one teaspoon of saffron, about 3 tablespoons of butter. We'll add in our pre-washed rice. Make sure to get all of that out. Now we're going to top this up with about 5 cups of cold water. Now just mix that through and try and get that combined. And finally we'll add in our potatoes. So now put the lid on. So we want to cook this on a low to medium heat for around 20 to 25 minutes. Basically we want all this water to absorb and obviously our rice to cook. In the meantime, don't take the lid off. We need to keep all the pressure inside. Alright guys, so I'm at the 20-minute mark now. As you can see, a lot of our liquid has absorbed, if you can see through the lid. And basically there's still a bit more in there. So what I'm going to do is turn our heat all the way to low. And we're going to leave it for about another 10 minutes, just to let all the rest of that liquid evaporate. Or else it's going to be very soggy. We definitely don't want that. Alright, so after another 10 minutes, I'll just turn the heat off. And just have a look at that. How beautiful does that look? So let's go ahead and serve. Alright, and just look at that. The most important part is all the rice is separated. It's not sticky. That's why it's important to wash it before you cook. And we'll just finish this up with some fresh mint. And there we have it guys, ready to be served on its own, or as a side dish with a curry or kebabs or anything else you like. I hope you liked that guys. Please like, share and subscribe. You can follow me on Facebook, Snapchat and Instagram. If you've got any comments or suggestions, just leave them at the bottom and I'll see you all next time.